also probably want to know about this. Let's be honest. The 112 is a huge topic of conversation these days, and I'm just as excited to bring it to you. What is going on, people? Check it out. I came to you to tell you a little update about what is going on with me this summer. I'm getting lots and lots of messages about what I'm doing, where I'm going, what's my next ride. Here's the thing. Today is May 31st. On June 2nd, I'm gonna be heading to the races in Wisconsin. So if you're there, look me up. Me and Minnow are going. We'll be there Saturday and Sunday. We're super hyped about that. As you can see right there, right here, let me show you. Right here, I got my highway pegs. I'm gonna be putting them on because I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to head to Durango, baby. So on the 10th, I'm gonna be headed to Durango, where hopefully everybody is going to that, I think. If you're going, leave a comment below, let me know. I've had a bunch of requests for merchandise and support of the channel and things like that. So I decided to do something, and I made a bunch of these t-shirts. So I'll show you. This is the front. And this is the back. So this is gonna be the only way you get this is if you buy it. I've given away hundreds, if not $1,000 in merchandise over the last couple of years. So that is something, if you were interested in merchandise, I think I got mostly it's shirts, but I have some hats probably. I got some beanies, I think, a bunch of stickers. Just email me at ridingfishmerch@gmail.com. I'll get back to you. We could talk about price. It's 20 bucks for a t-shirt. And I don't know, I'm gonna do something with stickers or whatever. I don't know, we'll see. But so you guys gotta just email me, ridingfish. I'll probably put it right here, ridingfishmerch@gmail. If you wanna support the channel, that's the way we're gonna do it. I've just always given it away. I can't do that anymore. So because I had so many opportunities. Anyway, that's it. You also probably want to know about this. Let's be honest. The 112 is a huge topic of conversation these days, and I'm just as excited to bring it to you. The problem is I have had some scheduling issues, family. I'm getting ready for a really big trip I'm about to tell you in just a second, which has kind of hindered my availability right now. I'm looking to get this on the dyno so I can get you guys the final results and the numbers. And yeah, there was some fine tuning that had to be done first. And other than that, let me tell you, I need your guys' help. I need your help big time. I'm flying to Italy and Europe, and I'm gonna spend some time in Italy, Switzerland, and Spain. If you know those regions, please leave a comment below. Things that I cannot miss. You guys, it's really important to me that you guys help me. I like to lean on my bike. That you guys help me with this. So if there's things in Italy, Spain, if you know people, especially motorcycle community, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, you guys got to let me know, let them know, share this video with them. I'm looking to try to find American motorcycle culture and even just motorcycle culture in Europe. That's my idea. I'm going to do a lot of Ridingfish family content while I'm there. So exploring food, lifestyle, that's Ridingfish family YouTube. I'll have a link below for that. So if you guys would subscribe to that, I got a few videos on there now that was really made for this trip that's getting ready to come. So yeah, if you would like and subscribe to that, share it with people that like travel. That is not going to be any motorcycle content, just to be very clear. That's going to be all travel, food, just kind of lifestyle-ish things. But Ridingfish is staying motorcycle content. So all the motorcycle stuff, scooter stuff, anything I do motorcycle two wheels, dealership visits, that's going to be here on Ridingfish, so you guys won't miss it. And then after 5 years of planning, in August, I'm finally gonna head to India and I'm gonna ride a motorcycle through the Himalayan mountains. I'm in talks with Indian Motorcycle about providing or getting my hands on some FTRs. I told them I'll do it on anything. I say, I'll do it on a Challenger. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Just know I might mess it up going through rivers and stuff. So you might want to stay tuned for that. I'm really stoked to go over the highest mountains in the world on a motorcycle and show motorcycle fun out there in India. So I know this is quick. I know you guys want to know about this 112. I'm working on it. I'm like backlogged about 6 videos, maybe 5 videos. And that's counting when I get the dyno this and bring that results to you guys. I really want to bring it to you. So review, I'm going to King of the Baggers in Wisconsin. Me and Minnow, we're going to be there Saturday, Sunday. Then I'm going to Durango. If you're going to Durango, you already know I'm going to be there. Look me up, find me. I'm staying at the casino with everybody else. Reach out if you are trying to go or whatever. A lot of ambassadors, huge Indian people. Like, there's so many people who are blowing my mind that I'm going to get to finally meet. So I'm very excited for Durango. Yeah, if you guys could help me with my travel in Italy and Spain, maybe Portugal. I'm looking to hit up the Indian dealerships while I'm there just for fun. Oh yeah, and the last thing for your Ridingfish merch, support the channel. Ridingfish on the front, Ridingfish white logo on the back. Not everybody loves red. Listen. Ridingfishmerch@gmail. Email me. Let's get you guys hooked up. Till next time, ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace.